Senator Omidvar.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is for the representative of the government in the Senate, Senator Gold. Yesterday or day before, employers received a magnificent gift with the very rapid expansion of the temporary foreign worker program. Employers experiencing talent shortages in a number of sectors, such as agriculture, will be able to hire more temporary foreign workers more easily and for longer periods of time. And these changes come into effect immediately or at the end of April. However, what is notably absent is the accompanying acceleration of protections for workers. And despite ample evidence of problems in the last 2 years, the government is at this point choosing to consult more. When will the expansion of temporary foreign worker programs include more rights and more protections for workers? Why the delay?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for the question. It's an important one. As we all know, temporary foreign workers have played a very important role in ensuring the stability of our ensuring our food security and the stability of it, and they deserve to be safe. And as you pointed out, far too many examples over the last few years of employers falling short of their responsibilities. That's why I'm advised that the government is ensuring that employers are prepared to safely welcome workers through working with the provinces, ensuring that employers meet program obligations through strengthened inspections, improving the temporary foreign worker tip line to provide services in multiple languages, providing direct assistance to workers through migrant worker organizations, and responding quickly to emerging issues through coordination with its partners. All of that said, the government knows there's still much more work to do, and that's why the government is committing to strengthen its integrity measures further to ensure temporary foreign workers work in a safe and decent environment.
Senator Omidvar.
Senator Gold, for that update. It is encouraging. Buried in the announcement was a tiny line that the government will consider providing pathways to permanency for temporary foreign workers, or as I like to call them, essential workers. These are essential workers. I will just remind us all that this chamber unanimously passed a motion, I think last year, to provide pathways to permanency for these essential workers. But the government is moving slowly on this province. Will those in so-called low-skilled sectors have an easier path to permanency soon, or should Canadians simply accept that this program is class-based?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for your question. No, I think what Canadians should accept is that I hope, understand, as I'll try to elaborate in my answer, is that Canada is working on many fronts to address this important issue. And indeed, the government has chosen to focus its efforts on ensuring that our immigration plans support our economic growth in this post-pandemic era and our resurgence, our economic resurgence, to ensure that Canada has the workers it needs to fill crucial labour market gaps. The government's 2022-2024 Immigration Levels Plan aims to continue welcoming immigrants at a historic rate, including 431,645 permanent residents in 2022. Colleagues, last year the government launched 3 new pathways for international graduates, workers in healthcare, and workers in other essential sectors. The government has also created a new pathway to permanent residency for asylum claimants working in healthcare during the pandemic. It also introduced the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot and Agri-Food Pilot. And the government is working, as it has been, with provinces and territories, with business groups, and with municipalities to develop a new municipal nominee program.